Hello and welcome to our 638th video, Sanskriti Kolkata's exclusive Tussar embroidery collection. You have shown tremendous support for our Tussar collection, especially threadwork ones, hand embroidery, threadworks. Our Tussar collection, we have a variety of options like embroidery, weaving, tie and dye, lambani, and so many options for you. I'll start with the embroidered one. Very pretty check tussar. We have shown thousands and thousands of variety in tussar. Our karigars are overloaded with tussar work. I mean, open order we have given to the tussar suppliers from different states that you supply the raw materials. We have just, whenever it's ready, just send it to us. This is number one, a handwork buta, gota patti with pearl in a very pretty check tussar. The color is a superb jade type green color, very unusual shade, and we have given tussar printed digital blouses with this. So a very sober, different concept of a lovely digital florals blouse piece, handwork butas in a zari check woven tussar. So this is the sari. Even the blouse piece will have little handwork in the border. First one. Number two, superb color, check tussar with gota patti zari border check. Very sober concept of sari. Even if you want to go for a workwear meeting, your travel where you have to straight go to any meetings from the airport. So these are very subtle, lovely day wear color. Even at night they will stand out. Very beautiful, and the florals that we've done in the blouse, it's very different. Not the regular print ones. It's very beautiful florals. See the blouse piece. हर वैरायटी का टसर एम्ब्रॉयडरी आज हम दिखाएंगे, but mostly will be machine embroidery today because handwork I've just done. First of all, the color, a very subdued, unusual shade of burgundy with hand mirror work. ये जो border है, I'll just tell you the border, it has not been attached on top of the burgundy dyed tussar. बर्गंडी डाई टसर को हम इतना सा बॉर्डर काट लिया, उसके साथ वी हैव अटैच्ड दिस एक्स्ट्रा फैब्रिक विथ वर्क टू गिव इट अ लाइट वेट एंड एन एक्सट्रीमली ब्यूटिफुल फिनिशिंग. फिनिशिंग के बारे में जब हम बोला थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर देते हैं. इट्स इंटरलॉक्ड, बोथ द फैब्रिक्स आर इंटरलॉक्ड. कोई भी धागा आपका नहीं उठेगा. और ये फिनिशिंग देखिए कैसे हाथ से ये पूरा टू फैब्रिक को जोड़ा गया है. सुपर्ब, सुपर्ब. दिस इज व्हाट आई से फिनिशिंग. वी गिव द बेस्ट ऑफ फिनिशिंग. एंड इवन द कॉर्नर्स, सी यूजुअली व्हाट हैपेंस, ये कॉर्नर ना थोड़ा राउंडिश हो जाता है when you stitch it. I'm very finicky about this actually. My carigars know by now, they've been working with me for many years. ये जब हम फोल्ड करते हैं ना, ये सर्कुलर, ये फिनिशिंग बहुत ये राउंडिश हो जाता है. लेकिन see our corner, it's exactly a lovely corner edge. This is class, and here is the blouse piece. कारीगर लोगों को रिटेन करना भी एक बहुत बड़ा काम है. Now the business is so open, everybody knows everything. Contact numbers, the prices, what we show, our stock, our collection, it's all displayed. Before there was some kind of a business secrecy, privacy, but now it's all open. And if I see, if you just see in our WhatsApp status, the updates that we get, many of our customers only are resellers. They buy from us also, but they watch our videos also. Maybe for inspiration, for the designs, or maybe it's. I'm not saying anything bad about anything, but so we see there are many, even in your family, if you see, there are so many sari sellers. So it's a very competitive time now. And even though many of you, like we have the practical experience of working and spending years with karigars and weavers, there are many who want only vegan saris. They want only, the each thread, I can tell you, because I get myself involved with the manufacturing and the production. Sale is secondary for me. I am totally involved in the manufacturing and purchasing of the raw material, which is very important. If you have the best purchase, selling is not a problem. So our videos are watched throughout the world, where there are many sari sellers, business women also. And I'm so happy that I've been able to set up many women, not resellers of course, shops also. They've purchased from us, we've given good offers to them for wholesales. They were not aware of the fabric. While doing the bill, they had asked me to write all the details of the fabric. So it was fun. It was fun at that time. So I miss those days actually, where there was neat, clean business policies in our profession. Number 5, a beautiful work. See the work, very bold and prominent, both side embroidery, lovely flowers, as if it's ready to bloom. It's just so gorgeous. The flowers are so real. It looks so real. The navy color with the, and see the corner. It's amazing. The flower embroidery, I missed out saying the other one also, the green color. Both the colors are so rich and so gorgeous. These are all pure Desi tussars, good quality tussar, in variety of embroidery concepts. हर स्टेट का टसर का क्वालिटी अलग अलग होता है. So the design and texture will differ accordingly. Lower part में broad border, upper border में कुछ भी नहीं, सिर्फ बूटा. Daman work with the blouse piece, very smart concept. These look very nice actually. So जो थोड़ा सा short height भी है ना, जो बोलते हैं कि ब्रॉड बॉर्डर नहीं पहनेंगे, वो ये वाला बहुत अच्छा लगेगा उसको, क्योंकि इसका जो बॉर्डर है नीचे में बॉर्डर है, ऊपर प्लेन है. So it looks very smart even on little short height women also. Prices we've clearly mentioned in the video. These are machine embroidery with asymmetrical border. Color is a charcoal black color with very beautiful color combination in the thread work. Sanskriti is based out of Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We have 2 branches here in Kolkata itself, in Baliganj. Cash on delivery options in Kolkata only. Outside Kolkata, it will go via courier. Courier charges are not included in the product price, so you have to pay that. Minimum charges, whatever the courier people takes. And Sundays open till the Durga Puja. After Durga Puja, the Sundays will be closed. So till first week of October, we are open every day, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Shaptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashami, 4 days we are closed. And till then, you can check out our videos regularly, our Facebook Live from Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, our reviews, all uploaded positive and negative in the status. You can check out our videos and reels in Instagram, Google reviews. So here is a beautiful concept of Pitanzari Resham Buta and बादला, स्मॉल बिग बादला बॉर्डर. बॉर्डर में सिर्फ पाइपिंग है, लेकिन ये बादला वर्क के ऊपर पूरा गेटअप है. बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है. इसका जो बूटा है, बर्ड का जो वीविंग एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड बूटा है विद सिल्क थ्रेड, आउटलाइंड विद जरी, ऑल थ्रेड वर्क एंड जरी एम्ब्रॉयडरी विद द ब्लाउज पीस. ब्लाउज पीस इसका ये बॉर्डर आएगा. बहुत क्लासी साड़ी है एंड अ लवली शेड ऑफ डीप रेड. थोड़ा सा इसको हम खोलकर दिखाते हैं. वेरी प्रिटी पीस. इसमें ये पार्ट इतना सुंदर है. आपको आपके पास अगर कोई नाइस चेन है ना, गोल्ड टाइप का चेन विद अ नाइस पेंडेंट, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. इसमें बहुत ज्यादा भरा हुआ ज्वेलरी इसमें अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. बस अ चेन विद अ नाइस बिग पेंडेंट. क्योंकि ये जो बादला इतना सुंदर इसका शीन है ना, यही तो आपका एक्सेसरी है. प्योर टसर with very pretty bootas in multicolored threads are silk threads. बॉर्डर में फिर बोल रहे, ये पूरा हैंड बादला मुकेश वर्क है. पाइपिंग टिश्यू का है. प्योर टसर, देसी टसर विद द ब्लाउज पीस. द ब्लाउज पीस में आपका बादला आएगा और इसमें कलर जेट ब्लैक. रिच लुक yet sober, lightweight, देसी टसर. हर साड़ी एकदम अलग अलग कॉन्सेप्ट में आज हम आपको दिखाएंगे. फैब्रिक टसर है, सब बंगाल का नहीं है. कुछ उड़ीसा का है, कुछ छत्तीसगढ़ का है, कुछ मुर्शिदाबाद, बंगाल, मतलब हर स्टेट का जहाँ जहाँ पे जब क्वालिटी जैसा आता है, we outsource those fabrics and then we dye and do the work here. Some works like tie and dyes are coming from other states also. We complete and then bring the raw material and then do the work here. This is an applique work with Pitanzari, a tone on tone applique. If you see the work closely, the green flower, it's applique, a little deeper tone of leaf green color. This color is beautiful, very sober, and the Pitanzari subtle look all over, but it's work. Color option. In this pink, you can see the applique a bit more clearly. All over thread work, it's gorgeous. Strawberry pink color, very pretty. And the best part is, you know, I still remember when giving this design, the karigar was saying to give a contrast shade, but to give it a bit of change, I used the tone on tone. Now you comment, which one do you like, the deep and light tone on tone, or do you think the contrast would have liked better? Your comments and your valuable feedback is really important to us. If you like our products, do take the screenshot and WhatsApp only 76030429696. No phone calls. If you want to make calls for any direction, your tracking number, please note down a number 033. This is the landline number of the Cornfield Road branch. 033-2440-01 2440-0154. is the landline number of Sanskriti. Last week, there was a bit of delay in certain sectors in Kolkata and also outside because the airport cargo, there was some problem with the workers and labours. Moreover, there's agitation in Kolkata, so that was also one of the reasons. And of course, the rains, heavy rains. We had heavy rains last week, so last week also. So parcels were slightly delayed, but then we are, from our side, we've done our complete thing. But it's just that we have to work with others, courier services also, na. So due to that. This is number 12, a lovely piece of, again, a tone on tone work. See, a navy blue color with a navy blue thread silk work. Very pretty, and this, it comes with a running blouse piece, but we have some blouse options for you. Handwork, tussar blouse pieces, which you can just mix and match with these saris. 4,300 pure desi tussar. Hand embroidered blouse piece separately you can purchase also. Sari has a running blouse piece matching, but these are extra blouses just to give it a fusion look. Brown color, these are lovely corporate wear tussar saris, beautiful piece, especially because of the self thread work. Isn't it beautiful? Very, very pretty number 13. Here, I would suggest you can wear nice Afghani junk jewelries in silver, or if it's gold, multicolored malas, any statement jewelry will look very pretty. And we have these option of a contrast blouse if you want. It's in pure desi tussar cut work. Kalamkari embroidery cut work. Separately also these blouse you can wear with multiple saris. All comes with all over work. Price 3990. Blouse piece price 3990. Wow, this black is lovely. Just see there's one tone, deep light, beautiful shade, just it's standing out so well. Blouse piece. Again, we have a nice thread work blouse piece with this option. Haven't given much contrast, just a coffee and black. It's a very unusual shade. Pure tussar blouse, full work. These have front, back, all over thread work. 3950 is the blouse price. 3,950 rupees. Now I'll move on to a nice sleek border cut work tussar sari in yellow. Cut work, tussar cut work embroidery, sleek border and a gorgeous corner work. It has a running blouse piece. Same color. You can wear it with a maroon or a bottle green and keep the sari long also if you don't want a running blouse, or else the sari is beautiful. So starting with these cut work saris, sleek border, this is one of my favorite cut work with figure motifs, our signature bird collection from our Utsavi range. See the birds, absolutely gorgeous with cut work, number 16. Prices all clearly mentioned. Lovely color, fudge color. with the blouse piece. Lower part has the figure motif so that the figures are not upside down. I love these birds. बहुत neat work है, बहुत सुंदर और neat work. Even the slate color. Look at the prominent embroidery. It just seems as if it is print. इतना सुंदर finishing bird का, color combination, filling of the thread. Superb, superb. Just like I said, our tussars are loved and appreciated throughout the world for years. And just for your information, you are making the payment to a business account, Sanskriti Kolkata account, not personal. So you will get a proper GST invoice, tax invoice with your parcel. We ship worldwide. Throughout the world we are shipping. Shipping charges depends on the weight and destination. The wine color is equally beautiful. All the shades of our bird collection thread work is so gorgeous. Dark wine. The menswear section, we can mix match your kurta, your husband's kurta, Punjabi, dhotis also if you want to gift your father, your father-in-law, your brother. So we have the men's collection in the Cornfield Road branch. Sizes available for jackets, kurtas, dhotis also, unstitched dhotis with thread work, katha, block print. We have the pleated dhotis for gifting in box packing also. So if you want, you can do a video call for kurtas and jackets also. Bit of party wear, tussar with gotapatti work. The tussar is a dual tone tussar with exclusive zari weaving. It's a handloom tussar sari with rich palla and handwork. The handwork pattern, gotapatti pattern, is so gorgeous, and so is the finishing of the reverse side of the sari. See the dual tone, and here is the blouse piece. The sari is with all over weaving and handwork, so the blouse is plain, and lovely dual tone. I love the shade. Take the screenshot and WhatsApp 76030422696. Another lovely color. This is again another wine color. The border is so rich and prominent. You know, those who like traditional saris, lekin gorgeous, thoda value addition. So these are the saris which you can wear to weddings, to any evening occasion. This is so classy. Yet gorgeous. See, iska pallu, iska look dekhiye. Just excellent. These two are dual tone. No pre-bookings, no orders. These are so pretty. The next one, I'll just show you, okay, the ones that is hanging. We have a weaving border, cross stitch all over sari. How beautiful this is. The borders are woven. So is the pallu, and the body is all over cross stitch embroidery. Jal in magenta with the blouse piece. The blouse piece is stripe weaving. Price of this beautiful piece, magenta, is 10,900. And the other color option is this yellow, 10,900. I always try to show few color options so that you can get some, you know, at least some options. Like even if I buy something, I would like to see colors and pattern options. So I do a whole video. बहुत स्टॉक है हमारा ब्रांचेस में 2C कॉर्नफील्ड रोड बालीगंज कोलकाता 19 and 12 Jamil Lane बालीगंज कोलकाता 19. Now look at this concept. How do you like this? Isn't it beautiful? It's applique. आपको लगेगा कि ये पूरा ऑल ओवर प्रिंट है, इतना फ्लैट और इतना लगाया हुआ एप्लिक है. अच्छा, I'll explain. Body is in tussar. Tussar is the matty shade. Tussar fabric तो थोड़ा मैट होता है, आपको मालूम ही है. और ये जो प्रिंट करके we have embroidered the borders, ये सिल्क में किया हुआ है. तो ये 3D एक लुक आ रहा है, एक बहुत सुंदर एक लुक आ रहा है एप्लिक के वजह से. It's looking as if it's a 3D flowers with a zari border and zari palla and badla. Here is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will have the buttas. Now I'll just open. You can see the concept of the sari. New design. So let me know how you like this. Actually, I really need to know. ये concept कैसा लगा आपको? और ये जो है ना, ये एप्लिक पूरा एक थान से एप्लिक प्रिंटिंग करके कटिंग करके लिया है, तो ये थोड़ा सा वेस्टेज होता है, लेकिन पैटर्न भी तो अच्छा आता है. This is another concept. Border butta. Zari में बादला, जरी बॉर्डर पल्ला और एप्लिक एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड फ्लोरल्स थ्रू आउट द साड़ी. बहुत सोबर है. फिरोजा, देखिए ये सब एप्लिक करके बिछाया हुआ है, और जो एप्लिक का जो फिनिशिंग है ना, बहुत नैरो, ये मोटा मोटा करके नहीं है. आप देखिए इतना फाइन, एकदम 1/4 सेंटीमीटर भी नहीं है, इतना नैरो है ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी. बादला भी पूरा हाथ का है. हाँ, ऑल ओवर जो बादला है मुकेश वर्क, वो पूरा हाथ का है. ये एक मिरर वर्क हैंडदारी कश्मीरी टसर में है. स्लीक नैरो बॉर्डर, ये फुलकारी टाइप का वर्क है. ऑल ओवर हैंड का मिरर वर्क. इसमें हर मतलब छोटा बड़ा मिलाकर ये मिरर्स का यूज है. मिरर मतलब माइका, ये तो वो ओरिजिनल थिक मिरर नहीं है जो वॉश में प्रॉब्लम होता है और भारी भी हो जाता है. एकदम 0 साइज से शुरू करके ये थोड़ा सा 0.10 साइज, ये सब मिलाकर मिरर का यूज है. और ये हाथ का है, बॉटल ग्रीन है इसका कलर, डार्क ग्रीन, एंड इसके साथ ये कॉन्ट्रास्ट ब्लाउज है. सब हाथ का है ये वाला काम. सोबर कॉन्सेप्ट, बट ये मिरर के लिए बहुत रिच लग रहा है. टसर A to Z टसर वैरायटी टुडे. 34-5 sarees, all in various designs in pure tussar. Next, little heavy work, mirror with resham thread work. Superb, all over जो है ये पूरा काम एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. मिरर वर्क हाथ का है, क्रॉस स्टिच मशीन है, उसके ऊपर हाईलाइटेड विद पिटन जरी. बहुत काम है इसमें, कलर भी बहुत सोबर भी है। पिटन जरी का क्या हाईलाइटेड है? हमारा चिड़ियाज। चिड़िया को सिर्फ हाईलाइट हुआ है पिटन जरी से। रिवर्स साइड फिनिशिंग। This is a sober shade of a baby pink color, and here we have a stunning rich shade of black. Same design, two colors. Finishing, piping, polish, all ready to ship. No pre-orders or bookings, anything. This is a Kashmiri machine, Kashmiri work. सिर्फ border pallu yellow color में है, mustard yellow color, beautiful shade, not the dull mustard, a gorgeous shade of yellow. And ये machine Kashmiri hair work, बहुत माहीन work है इसका। जस्ट शॉल का जो डिजाइन आता है वही, और इसके साथ ये जाल रिच ब्लाउज है। डिजाइन्स कैसा लगा आपको? अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, और संस्कृति कोलकाता फेसबुक पेज में लाइव वीडियो में प्लीज ज्वाइन कीजिए। सूट्स, दुपट्टास, बहुत सारा वैरायटी आपको दोनों ब्रांच में मिलेगा। संडेज ओपन till the first week of October. Now another pretty piece. देखिए, कलर एक स्मोकी लैवेंडर कलर है, और उसके ऊपर बादला में पूरा पैटर्न हुआ है। ये थोड़ा सा बॉलीवुड स्टाइल इंस्पायर्ड टाइप साड़ी है, बहुत अनकॉमन है। साड़ी में डाई के ऊपर ये जो रोलेक्स लेस है, फिर ये वाला बादला है फ्लोरल, और इसके साथ रिच सिल्क सिल्वर ब्रोकेट ब्लाउज है। बहुत अनकॉमन कॉन्सेप्ट है इसका, very very unique. The next one is a check tissue woven pure tussar. First of all, the fabric itself is very beautiful with prominent cut work embroidery, just color options of what I'm wearing. Price 15,900. Tissue woven pure tussar with cut work and blouse piece. $15,900. Next one is this peachish rust color. You can see a dark peach color, beautiful, orangish, lovely shade. 15,900 with the blouse piece. Again a tissue woven tussar. Desi tussar. And the one that I'm wearing, slate color, dark cement slate color with a very pretty cut work border combination, also with a running blouse piece. This too has the same fabric blouse piece. 15,900. I'm wearing a earring जिसका माला आएगा ये beautiful neck pieces with this earring. Price 4,300. 4,300. And ये stones सब premium quality stones है माला and इसमें rings है जो नीचे छोटा बड़ा आप कर सकते हो. 4,300. 3 color options. This rustish orange. With this earring. Third option is this pink. $4,300 with this cute earring. Very gorgeous. These pieces are neck pieces. 4,300. Set 3 color options available: green, rust and pink. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how you like the video. Namaskar.